Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum CS Pro users. Tutorial on seek function. The seek function returns the occurrence number of the first item in a multiply occurring item that satisfies a certain condition. I have an example to understand the seek function. The education section asks if a member's age is greater than is equal to 6 years. We can use the seek function to find the line number of a member whose age is greater than is equal to 6 years. If no such members exist, then seek will return 0. If a at the rate symbol is used before the numeric expression, the function looks for the condition's nth occurrence. I am going to fill out the education section based on the condition if the age is greater than is equal to 6 years. We have education section after completing the roster. We are on the first occurrence and logic will run in the pre-proc for the education PID. The seek function will get the first PID and store in the dummy variable getPID. If the seek function finds the PID, the value will be greater than 0. Otherwise, it will be 0. In our case, the PID is 1 in getPID and the value will be copied in the E underscore PID in the education section. I am using setProperty function to protect the E underscore PID item. We are now on the second occurrence after filling out the rest of the information in the first occurrence. This logic will run again. As I have mentioned earlier that the seek function returns the occurrence number of the first item in a multiply occurring item that satisfies a certain condition. As a result, this logic will get the first PID again in the second occurrence. This will also happen in the third occurrence. As we have seen, the seek function is working, but we are not getting the information as we want. We need these three names and their PIDs in the education section per our specifications. In our logic, we will use the symbol to accomplish this. Let's look at how we can use the symbol. We are currently on the first occurrence in the education section. We will start by getting the occurrence number, which is 1 in the dummy variable get curocc. After the condition, add symbol with the numeric expression get curocc to the seek function. You can read logic this way. Find the first PID with an age greater than is equal to 6 years. On the second occurrence, the value in the dummy variable will be 2. You can read logic like this. Find the second PID where the age is greater than is equal to 6 years. The third occurrence will be as follows. Find the third PID where the age is greater than or equal to 6 years. PID 3 and 4 will be skipped because the age is less than 6 years. Let's see the syntax in the CS Pro. We have two dummy variables with numerical properties in the declaration section. As previously discussed, the logic has been written in the E underscore PID. The logic is in the pre-proc. We are currently on the first occurrence in the education section. We will start by getting the occurrence number, which is 1 in the dummy variable get curocc. After the condition, add with the numeric expression get curocc to the seek function. If the get PID value is greater than 0, store the value in the e underscore PID and protect the field by using the set property function and cursor move to the next item e underscore name. The logic is in the preprog for e underscore name item. Take the name from the r underscore q1 from the roster. The question here is which name we want to get in e underscore name. In the brackets, we use the e underscore PID value as a reference number. The e underscore PID value is 1. This means that the name is retrieved from the first position rather than the first PID. Let's look at another example. We are on the third occurrence in the education section. Get the PID, which is 5, and move to the next item e underscore name. Now we are getting the name from the fifth position rather than the fifth PID. In this tutorial, I hope you learn how to use the seek function. Please see the CS Pro help on the seek function for more information. Keep on learning and goodbye.